Hello Moneymakers, take a look at this channel. They have got over 600,000 subscribers and some of their video has got 10 million views. Guys, this is not YouTube Shorts. They are uploading long-form videos and trust me, they are making well over $10,000 every month from this channel alone. This does not include the sponsorship and affiliate marketing revenue. So in this video, I will show you to create these faceless history documentary videos in under 20 minutes with just 5 simple steps. I know people nowadays don't have good attention span, but if you do watch this video till the end, it can change your life. So let's grab some cheese popcorns and watch this video till the end. Now let's start with the first method of creating an attractive channel. And for this we will need a name, a logo and banner. Many times people don't have knowledge of how to create such basic things, so we will use ChatGPT for this purpose. Open ChatGPT and ask, "Give me 10 names for my YouTube channel that provides documentary content." And there you go. ChatGPT provides 10 best names. Or still, if you are not satisfied with it, you can also regenerate it. Now let's choose one of the names from here. I will go with Documentary Diaries. After choosing the name, now we need to create a channel logo and banner. I choose this name for my channel, then paste your chosen name. Now give me a prompt to generate channel logo and banner. Also add a glimpse of ancient and modern history. And there you go. ChatGPT provides a prompt for generating channel logo and banner. Now copy the prompt and open image generator tool. I will use Ideogram because I think it is perfect tool to create this type of image. You will get 10 free credits every day to use. Alright, now paste the prompt, choose 1:1 ratio for generating logo image. After that, click on generate and there you go. You have 4 images to choose from. Select one and download it on your computer. Now in the same way, copy the banner prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Choose 16:9 ratio and hit generate. And that's it. You have your channel logo and banner. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. Creating scripts. But before creating a channel, you need to choose the sector you want to work in. Because documentaries are a vast niche, so you should choose a particular area. And you can use ChatGPT to generate some ideas. Ask ChatGPT, "I want to start a documentary channel on YouTube. Can you please give me a list of different aspects I can document?" And within seconds, ChatGPT provides a list of various topics to choose from, such as historical events, nature and wildlife, science and discoveries, or many more. It's crucial to select a topic that interests you. Many people start a channel, but stop posting because they lose interest after some time of creating the content. Alright, after creating a channel, we have to create engaging documentary videos. But before that, choose one of the niche for your documentary channel. For example, I will go with historical events. Once you choose the niche, ask ChatGPT to give some video ideas on your chosen niche. Or you can also ask in this way, "Give me a video idea along with a line, the entire history of blank." And as you can see, Chat provides a bunch of different video ideas which you can use in your video. Just to show you the process, let's create a video on the entire history of human civilization. Alright, now let's create a script for the video. Now again, let's use ChatGPT to write a script for our video. Ask ChatGPT, act as a YouTube video scriptwriter, and create engaging and captivating video script that will attract and retain the viewers. The script should be 10-minute long runtime and speech taking at a medium pace. Consider incorporating elements such as storytelling, relatable content, clear structure, and analogies to encourage the audience engagement. Write the video script about the entire history of human civilization. Use your creativity and expertise to produce a high-quality and information script that will appeal to a vivid audience. As you can see, ChatGPT provides a complete script with scene suggestions. That's great.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
Moreover, you can also take some information from Google articles as well to create a unique script. And as always, I do not suggest to use ChatGPT script as it. Modify with your own words, which helps to connect more with your audience. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Now we have to create a voiceover. You can record your own voice, or generate the voiceover with any text to voice generator tool which provides ultra-realistic natural sounding voice. I will recommend 11 Labs for this. because in this tool you can also clone your own voice to create a unique voice. However, there are many natural-sounding voices available in the audio library, so you can also use them. Or if you are starting with low budget, you can use TTS OpenAI tool to generate the voice. Currently, it is completely free, so you can also go with this tool. In this, you can also find an amazing voice which looks 100% natural. Alright, now we need to separate only the narrator's voice from the script. So let's ask ChatGPT to extract the narration. Now copy the script and paste it here. Then click on System Audio and select the voice.
OpenAI is a technology that converts text into speech based on artificial intelligence.
I will go with Carl's voice. I think it is perfect for documentary videos. Then click on Create Speech. And there it is. The voiceover is ready.
Human civilization is a remarkable tapestry, woven from the threads of our shared past.
Now download it on your computer. Using the same method, generate the voiceover for the full script. Alright, now let's move on to the next step, which is generating images and scenes for our video. This part is just as easy, but also just as fun. Now all you have to do is go back to the ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Let's play a game. You will act as my image prompt creator for a video I'm working on. I will share one paragraph of my script at a time, and you will provide me with 4 prompts for each paragraph. These prompts should align with the storyline and generate cohesive visuals. Each paragraph I share should be accurately represented through the 4 text prompts you provide. Now paste the first paragraph. And there you go, ChatGPT provides 4 visual prompts which we can use. Now paste the second paragraph. This way continues this process till the last paragraph. Now let's move on to phase 2 to generate the images. In order to generate the realistic images, I will show you 2 free AI tools which you can use. The first tool name is Pixelman AI. This is currently completely free to use, and the result was amazing. Open this tool and paste the prompt. Then choose a 16:9 ratio. Choose the number of images and hit generate. And that's it, your image is ready. Look at the images, that's amazing, right? Now let's select the Flux one from this available option and see the result. This is one also looks good. Alright, now the second tool is Krea.ai. In this tool you will get some free credits to use, and the result of this tool is also good, so you can also try this one. Other than this, you can also generate videos with prompt or animate the images, and this is the result. It's pretty good, right? Alternatively, you can also get some stock footages and images from other sources, such Pixabay, Pixel, Canva, Pinterest, or many more. This way collect footage and images from different sources to create a video. Alright, now let's move on the next step, which is finding the right background music for a documentary. So, in order to find perfect background music, all you need to do is go back to the ChatGPT and ask, I want to know that what kind of music or genre would best fit with above script. And as you can see, ChatGPT provides plenty of suggestion. Now as per this suggestion, find the copyright-free music in YouTube audio library. Or you can take from Upbeat, Pixabay, or many other sites, which provides royalty-free music. Find documentary-related music and download it. Alright, now let's move on to the last and final step, which editing. Now we need to merge all the materials in any editing software. I will use CapCut free desktop app, because it is perfect for the beginners. Open CapCut and import all the files. Now first drag and drop the voiceover into the timeline. Then remove this space from the voiceover to make it more natural. Next, add the images and video according to the voiceover. Listen to each part of the voiceover before choosing clip or image for that segment. Then grab the background music and add it into the timeline. Then you need to adjust the volume. Make sure the voiceover volume is more than the music. Alright, now click on Adjustment, choose Custom Adjustment, and add it into the timeline. Then scroll down and increase the vignette and clarity. This will create black edges in border of the image and video, which looks great in documentary videos. Moreover, you can also do color grading using this tools. Try different things and make your video stunning. After that, to add movement into your image, you can add animation to each image, so it will not look boring. Now to make your video more attractive, you can also add effects and transition. Go to the effect and search for the clear effect and add this effect into your entire video. After that, add transition between two images, such as mix transition or dissolve transition. At last, generate the subtitles which make your video more engaging. Click on text, choose auto caption, choose language and hit generate. Choose fonts, size, color, and from the available templates. And that's it, your video is ready. So this is how you can create a documentary video on any topic. It's really easy process, just stay consistent and learn new things, and you will get success that you are looking for. Now let's have a look to our demo video.
Humans have always been driven by the need to survive and grow. This journey started about 300,000 years ago when Homo sapiens first appeared in Africa. Back then, life was all about hunting and gathering food. People roamed from place to place, following their food sources and using basic tools made from stones, bones, and sticks. For thousands of years, this was how early humans lived. But around 10,000 years ago, everything changed. Humans discovered how to farm and domesticate animals. Instead of constantly moving, people could now settle in one place, build homes, and grow food. This simple discovery, agriculture, led to the birth of civilization. Small farming villages eventually grew into towns and cities. One of the earliest civilizations emerged in Mesopotamia, located between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. By 3500 BCE, people here built cities, invented writing, and created some of the world's first legal systems. One famous example is the Code of Hammurabi,